Today on Jubara.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing great. So today, on this day that I filmed, it was just a super gloomy day and I wanted to take y'all along with me. The house wasn't really messy. These are just the things that I do on the daily to tidy up and make things easier on myself. So I'm going to go ahead and strip the bed, get the sheets washing, and then we're going to do a little tidying up in the living room. We're going to wash some dishes and all that good stuff. So I really hope y'all enjoy this and I hope it gets you motivated.
Leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So as y'all know, we are going to be going to Colorado this month and I'm super excited about it. Whenever we get back, hopefully it'll be in the budget for me to order the couch covers, order some new rugs, do all the things I've been really wanting to do in the living room. It's not really a priority because I don't hate the way my living room looks right now. But I do still want to get the gray sofa cover just because it would be easier on me. I wash these constantly. That's why I'm constantly putting them back on, because I do have to wash at least the seat covers a lot and the arms a lot because of the light color. I love the light color. I love the how bright and airy it is, but then at the same time it gets so annoying having to wash it all the time. I honestly don't know if it'll be much different with the gray covers though, just because that also shows a lot of stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I don't want to be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
This video is definitely not as long or as packed full of stuff as some of my other videos. I just had it sitting in my file to be edited, so I decided to go ahead and edit and put it up today whatever time I get it done, just to give y'all some motivation if y'all need any extra motivation today. So anyway, now I'm just going to wipe down the tables. And as y'all know, I always use my Murphy oil soap mixed with a little water to do this. They get so filthy. We don't have a lot of rules when it comes to eating in the living room. So the baby will come over here and munch out. We usually, my husband and I, every time we eat dinner, actually, we sit on the couch. We pull this table to us, and that's how we eat dinner most nights. So anyway, we are looking into getting a huge, well, not a huge table, but a bigger dining room table. The little one we have works for now, but there is 5 of us living in the house, so we need a table. I would like at least something that can fit 6 to 7 people. And we need to, I think, either have it custom made or my husband's going to make it because, like I said, the dining room is small, but I want something where we can all sit down and eat together. So we'll be working on that soon, hopefully. Like I said, everything's kind of getting pushed back until we get back from Colorado. And then we can see what we're doing this year. But actually, this whole year, I am going to be trying to budget more and only buy things that are absolutely necessary. So we'll see how that goes.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it.
So as you can see, the lighting kept changing throughout the day because the sun would come out and it would go back in. But it was like, for the most part, super gloomy, rainy outside, just all the things. So it just... Do y'all like to clean more when it's like that outside? Because I really do. There's something about when it's really cold and nasty outside. I just love the house to be clean and cozy. And I just get in my own zone and clean. How about y'all?
You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome?
Now we're finally in the kitchen, and I just needed to tidy up in here, get some dishes put away, and then put some more in the dishwasher. I have been, like I said, keeping the house a lot cleaner lately. It just gives me more time to do some other things that I need and want to do. So just not letting the house get crazy as much. It will every now and then, but for the most part, I'm trying to stay on top of things, and it just makes my life easier, and that's, I guess, what we're all trying to do, right? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just clean up a few things in here, and then we're going to vacuum the floors and all that good stuff. So while we're doing the dishes, is anybody here from Colorado? Do you have any advice, clothes, anything? I think I have everything. I just need a jacket for myself. I didn't want to wear my Carhartt because it's actually really faded and been through a lot over the years. And I know I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures. So I want to go get me a new jacket. And I think we have to get one of the boys some new snow boots because the ones that he had gotten didn't fit him. So yeah, I still need to do a few things like that, but other than that, I think we're good to go. My daughter's already packed and ready to go. She's been so excited, ready to go. I talked to my son the other day. He actually lives in Colorado and he loves it. He was giving me, a few tips on the snow and driving, and how he says like the worst part about it is where he's at, the sun. When you're driving through the mountains, the sun is crazy. Like the sun is the most dangerous thing, the way it shines over there in the mountains, apparently. So I'm looking forward to that, to see how that goes. Yeah, we have some things planned, and I think it's going to be really fun for the kids. So hopefully everything goes well. I have never been on a plane with all my kids, so I'm curious to see how that all goes, especially with Jeremiah being 3, but hopefully everything goes well. I'm trying to stay really positive and not stress about it. So anyway, any advice out there? Have you flown with little ones? And do any of y'all live in a colder climate? Let me know down below.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Oh, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody
So now that we have the dishes all clean, I'm just going to get everything off the counters here and go ahead and wipe them down. And I'm just going to be using the Awesome mixed with a little water and a damp cloth to clean the counters. And then we'll go ahead and vacuum the floors and all of that. As y'all could see back there, there was, I guess that was cereal that had spilled and then got crushed. So I needed to vacuum everything in here. And yeah, go from there. It just felt so good to have the house all clean and tidy, and it's been really nice keeping it like that. As I'm looking in my room right now, it is pretty messy, so I need to do some cleaning as soon as I get done here. I'll go ahead and film that for y'all. Yeah, and also, do y'all like the slower videos or the faster videos? Do y'all like the noises left in? Because I have been coming across a lot of channels that keep the noises in, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love hearing that. So let me know what you think down below.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
So I was going to talk to y'all. I just got my vanity in, and I am trying to decide like where to put it exactly. I kind of wanted it in front of the window in our room, and just to have that natural light there. But then I also think, like, I usually do my makeup early in the morning, so the light's not going to be coming in from that window. I'm so torn on how I'm going to do this, but I'm hoping I can get it all figured out. If y'all have any advice, y'all know what my room looks like. Like, let me know down below, what would you do if you were me and you just got a nice little vanity? Like, would you set it up in front of the natural window to have that natural light come in, or would you just put it on a wall and maybe get some lights?
I don't know what you did, but it's alright with me. It doesn't matter any longer. I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
So this is all I really got done today. I did get the sheets out of the dryer, got them put on the bed, and I did put them on the bed before we went to sleep, but I didn't get a chance to film that. So anyway, I thank y'all all so much for being here and supporting me and just being so loving and caring, and this community is amazing. I will see you on the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light.